In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a poll to your Instagram post or Reels. Instagram is a fantastic platform for engaging with your audience, and adding polls can provide an interactive way for your followers to participate and share their opinions. Whether you're trying to gather feedback or just want to have a bit of fun, polls are a perfect tool. Let's dive into the details of how you can easily incorporate this feature into your Instagram content. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and ensure that you're logged into your account. Once you've confirmed that, you'll want to navigate to your home page and look for the little plus sign at the bottom center of your screen. This button allows you to create new content. Tap it to get started with either a new post or a reel. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's begin by creating a new post. Choose a photo or video from your gallery or capture something new in-app. Once you've selected or taken your media, you'll hit Next to proceed to the editing section. Here, you can add filters, adjustments, and enhancements to make your content stand out. Take your time experimenting with these options until you're happy with the visuals. After you're done with the edits, tap Next again, which will take you to the final posting screen. Now, you'll need to pay attention because adding a poll directly onto a post isn't currently a standard action. You'll need to utilize Instagram Stories for this. Don't worry, it's pretty straightforward. Head back to the main screen, this time choose the Story option from the bottom menu. Select the same photo or video or pick a new one to maintain relevance to your original post. Once you're in Stories, look at the top right of your screen for the sticker icon. It's the one that looks like a square with a smiley face. Tap on that, and a menu of stickers will appear. Scroll through until you find the poll sticker. Tap on it, and Instagram will prompt you to enter your question and the choices for the poll. Keep your question clear and your options simple to encourage participation. You can move and resize the poll sticker to fit your story aesthetically. Once it looks good, hit the Your Story button to share it with your followers. If you're making a reel, the process is similar. The key difference is, you'll create your reel, apply the desired effects, and instead of moving to Stories, you'll share your reel directly and then immediately create a complementary story with a poll. Make sure to encourage your followers to check out your poll in the caption of your main post or reel. This not only boosts engagement for your story but also drives traffic to your main content. That's it, you've successfully added a poll to your Instagram content, providing an interactive way for your community to engage with you. By following these steps, you're well on your way to enhancing your social media strategy with interactive elements that keep your audience coming back for more. Thank you for watching, and happy posting!